Welcome back to my channel, teachers at mga ka-DIMPLE, para sa panibagong learning encounter with Dimple Dilan. Ako po pala si Sir Dimple D. I am a junior high school teacher and I also serve as part of our school's ICT group support, which means I help teachers to integrate educational technology into their classroom. And for today's episode, I will assist you on how to join and host a meeting using Google Meet in the simplest way. This application will help us meet our students face-to-face virtually. Using this application, we can hold a virtual meeting and conferences with numbers of participants in it. And of course, mga ka-DIMPLE and teachers, before I proceed on this video tutorial, please do click the subscribe button and notification bell para updated kayo sa mga educational videos na aking i-upload. First, go to meet.google.com and make sure you are logged in our G Suite account, and it will redirect you to the interface or environment of our Google Meet. An alternative option to get inside the Google Meet is by clicking the Google Meet application button and tap the Meet. And again, it will redirect us to the interface and environment of the Google Meet. In the interface of Google Meet, we will see the following. On your upper left corner, you will see the Meet logo, current time, and date. On the upper right corner, you will see this G Suite Admin Help logo. We will only click that when we want some technical assistance using the Google Meet. Next to it is the gear button. When we tap that, we will see option for our audio and video. For audio, dito pwede palitan ng klase ng microphone na meron tayo sa ating laptop by clicking this drop-down arrow. Normally, I select the default one. Also, dito pwede natin palitan ng klase ng speakers na meron tayo sa ating laptop by clicking this drop-down arrow. For video, we can see what camera are installed in our device na gagamitin natin for video conference. And this button is for our feedback regarding our experience using the Google Meet. Kung meron, we click send. Kung wala naman, we click cancel. And this is our account logo. Here, we can see what account is logged in. Or pwede rin tayo mag-switch account. There you go! Done na tayo sa uppermost part ng ating Google Meet interface. It's time, let's tap the join or start meeting. When we click that, there will be a prompt message asking us to name our meeting. For example, I will type first virtual meeting, then hit continue. Then it will bring us inside the meeting. Immediately, you will notice that by default, our microphone and camera for video ay nakabukas na. So we turn off first the camera. For our audio, we would know that it is properly working when we see this image here na gumagalaw. We can mute it by tapping the mic button. And clicking these three dots will give us more options. We can see here the name of the meeting we typed kanina. And of course, no one is inside yet. Kasi tayo yung gumawa. Sa mga nakaraang meeting natin, madalas naaabutan na natin na marami yung participants at dito natin yung nakikita. Now let's focus our attention on these buttons. The Join Now button and Present Now button. We will only click the Present Now if we like to share our screen right away. But I suggest to click the Join button na lang palagi. A message box is here telling us about the information about the Google meeting we created. Here we can see the name of the meeting and the code it has generated. And copy joining info box. Na once i-click natin, makakopy na yung code at ready na to share sa ating participants or students. Here we can also manually add people. We can invite them through email. Or we just have to type their names or email address. Or call them. Then we close this. Now we can know who is inside the meeting by clicking this people logo sa taas. Nakalagay rin ang current count ng mga tao na kasama na sa ating meeting. Then here we also have the chat box. Here we can type our messages that every participant can see. Magandang gamitin ito for us not to interrupt the speaker when discussing certain topic. We can always type our thought here. By the way, teachers, clicking the picture of any participant in the list will give you option to pin him or her on the screen. At ginagawa natin to para hindi nagpapalit-palit ang screen natin sa kung sinong participant ang nagsasalita. Again, this mic logo allows us to mute or unmute ourselves. Next is the leave button. We only click this either the meeting is over or we want to leave the call depending on our reasons. But since we are the teacher, I encourage you to be the last person to leave the call. After all, we were the ones who set the meeting. Using an add-on tool called Google Attendance, which we will cover on other video tutorials on how to use, we can generate and track who were the students joined our meeting. Next is the camera button that allows us to display our live video and let other people see us while the meeting is ongoing. We have here the turn on caption. This button will show us the transcription ng mga sinasabi ni presenter or teacher while he or she is speaking. I suggest to always set this off because it might be disturbing to see text moving while someone is speaking. O sa mga feature ni Google that I guess requires certain enhancement because it only recognizes English languages when transcribing. Next is this button. This permits us to present our screen to our participants. I strongly suggest closing everything in your entire desktop and leave only those applications or files na kailangan mo to present to your lesson. Here, let's choose the entire screen. Click on this part and tap Share. Then you will see that you are now presenting. When we choose this, lahat ng ginagawa natin ay nakikita na sa end ng participants. Kaya I hope teachers, lahat ng mga files dapat natin ay a bit organized where to find them. So let's stop presenting. We try tapping a window. Dito mas okay to pindutin kapag mag-share kayo ng something. Kasi automatically it will direct to the file or video or any materials na gusto mong i-present. And before I forget teachers, once at a time lang ang pagpapresent natin. Kaya if our students would like to share something on our screen, we need to stop presenting first para ma-allow sila. Then these three dots gives us more options. Sa pinakataas ay yung record meeting. This allows us to record the entire meeting. Maganda to pindutin once you start the meeting proper. This will record everything, both the video and audio, and once the meeting is over, a copy of this meeting will be sent sa inyong Google Drive. Kaya naman if may na-miss kayong part ng meeting, pwedeng nyong balikan. Kaya lang extra cautious tayo teachers, lalo sa mga words at mga video na sinishare natin. We can also share the copy of the call sa ating mga estudyante. Next is this change layout button. Here we have many options kung paano natin gusto makita ang arrangement ng screen natin. Just like the following. Pwede rin natin i-click yung full screen to get rid of other parts ng screen na nakaka-disturb sa atin. To exit the full screen, click lang natin ito. And other options na na-cover na natin kanina. And lastly, the leave call button that when we click, will exit us to the call. When we accidentally leave the call, we can always come back by clicking the rejoin button. Same is true kapag nag-loss ang connection natin at na-exit tayo sa meeting. Pwede pa po tayo bumalik. On our future videos, we will cover some relevant add-ons and applications na maaaring makatulong sa pag-explore pa natin ng ganda ng Google Meet. There are some applications also na pwede tayong mag-set ng ating meeting na hindi natin kailangan gamitin pa si Google Meet, gaya ni Google Calendar at Google Classroom, na kung saan pag-uusapan natin yon sa ating mga future videos. I hope teachers and mga ka-DIMPLE, I was able to extend my little technical know-how on how to join and create a meeting using Google Meet. And if I did, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to share this video out with your teacher friends, your school, or your division, and to whoever you think needs to see it. And teachers, please leave your recommendations for any future episode topics in comment box below. And kung meron pa kayong mga katanungan and technical assistance, I'll be more than willing to assist. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future educational videos. Thank you, teachers, and have a happy learning. Please be safe. See you.